So while I'm making dinner, Todd is sharing the kitchen counter with me for this project. So what is this project?
This is the hydraulic hynautic helm control. I got to rebuild it because some of the seals are really, I don't know if you can zoom in on that with the camera or not and see how that seal is just cracking and falling out of there.
We'll see if it shows up.
Yeah, I needed to see if any other ones were doing that too. But I don't know what I'm doing, and all I have is an exploded view. So hopefully that's enough information to do what I need to do.
2 years ago, we purchased a hurricane-damaged boat with the dream of sailing her around the world. Together with our kids, we've been learning, laughing, and working to make this dream come true. This is the story of our adventures on a sailboat named Spoondrifter.
It looks like a lot of small moving parts.
There is a lot of small moving parts. All these little bearings and yeah.
But this one looks bad too. It's got little...
Well, I think I have that one. One of these is probably that one. So I know I need to do this one. I'm not sure how to get that off. I need one of those.
Poor Todd. He puts up with a lot to get this project done.
Abigail, I'm gonna walk her around while I vacuum the trampoline. Dad,
What?
go get Denny's haircut.
Yeah.
So good. Okay.
Sorry, I can't really pay attention to that right now.
I'm covered in dog hair. Look.
I gotta figure out which seal goes in that spot. I only have two. This one, if I use that, requires me to take this out.
It fits into
It
something.
also fits onto this right here.
Well, I think I need to turn the grill on and start working
Yep.
on dinner.
Probably should. You want me to just fire it up?
Yeah.
All right. So theoretically, this goes against that.
How many
like
hamburgers
that.
do you want out on Liberty? Two.
Two.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I don't like
Well, last time they said they wanted two, they didn't eat them. Liberty did, but Abigail didn't.
I got pepper jack or chipped American.
So let's go.
Hey, dudes, this
want
requires
pepper jack.
answers.
I want pepper jack.
Does the dog need water or food? She's over here pacing.
How do you spell hello in cursive?
H-E-L-L-O.
Same way you spell it in regular letters.
I know, but how do you spell it?
Well, get the cursive book out and look at it.
I don't think it has hello in it.
Well, it has all the letters. Flames, do I need to turn this down? Yeah, I usually do.
I am not sure I can be paying attention to you right now. Where did that go?
I don't know.
I don't either. Probably a good thing I replaced that one. That one felt actually pretty dry. I wasn't going to replace it. Must be properly aligned with the body spacer, number 22.
Okay, I need your portobello.
It's just Mama.
Mine? Okay, guys, dinner is ready. Gabe, dinner is ready. How many of you rebuild helm station hydraulics on your kitchen counter with pineapples and bananas in the background, huh? I think I got it. I think I got it. So, let's see if I can finalize this.
Dad,
Alright, what?
I made this cord into a square because of how I ate it.
Right?
You sure the camera's not gonna fall? I also open it.
I am not sure of anything. How about you?
No.
Aha! Okay. Now,
Come on.
what is it that is stopping it from going down? Alright, well, let's see if I can tighten these down and if they will work, or if I'm binding something else.
Yeah.
Alright, down, and it spins in circles. That's a good sign. Now the only way to know if I done it right is to get the boat back in the water and try it.
We want to give a big shout out to our amazing patrons who have cheered us on and shared our ups and downs behind the scenes each week. Thank you so much. Today's a beautiful day and it's nice and warm, and so we're just going to do a whole bunch of random kind of things, getting ready to put our masts on this weekend. We've got the girls working on the mast. We're prepping this end for paint as it will be inside the boat and we want it to look nice.
Here is down below. Right here is not done.
All right, take Abigail with you and go over to the bathroom and wash your hands.
Okay.
Let me see them. Oh, they're way yucky, huh?
It's gonna be hard to wash them with the sink.
That's okay.
I can't touch my face. It's okay. I'll be back.
Gabe is adjusting and installing all of the turnbuckles so that we can attach the rigging quickly when we get it put up.
Do you want me to do the other side too, Dad?
Yep.
We've got to do our best to try and keep water from getting inside of the pedestal. It was just a sieve last time, and then when water gets in there, it follows those cables into the engine room. We don't want that happening.
Wow, did I magically line that right up?
You did.
I don't know why that one does not want to start.
What are you doing, Liberty?
I don't know. I'm painting the mast in something.
That's yellow.
Yes.
Putting alidine on the aluminum mast.
Okay, be careful you don't get
All
that
right.
on yourself.
Yeah, don't get it on yourself. Bring it over here. How much more do you need?
I have a little bit. What are you doing?
Yeah, I'd walk back if I was you.
Well, I got to get this wet. It says it's not supposed to dry. You done?
Yep.
Move out of the way. One hand here, and don't push it down and drag on that. You'll scratch it. Turn it over. Here, keep it out there. It's easier. Right here. Pull towards you. Now go backwards. Now pull towards you. There you go. Hang on. Keep that underneath. Tighten it up tight. As tight as you can get it.
I just love how he teaches our kids how to
Okay.
do it.
There you go. You need this underneath it, or are you okay? Good job. Do them all.
By letting them do real work that matters, they gain skills and confidence.
Careful.
Do you want me to take it?
Sure. Can you? It's heavy. See? You didn't think it was gonna be that heavy, did you? All right. Okay, I gotta find something to put in there right here. Okay, now I want you to come over on this side and step on that right there. Just stand on it. Can you balance? See, that'll hold it from falling over. All right, don't get off. Let's grab my controller
How long do you want me to stand here?
until I tell you not to. All right,
So what happens if this touches your skin?
you can burn it over time. Just want to wash it off or rinse it off, so rinse it off with a hose. Okay. So the question is this in the way? Now I want you to hold it like right there from down below so that I can work this, okay? Try to get an idea for
Yes.
height. I'm
I'll go
gonna-
throw these away.
yeah, I think that'll work right
Is that
there.
all you call me for? No.
Hang on to that for a minute.
What are you doing?
I have to stand here.
How, where was it for height? That's right there. Okay.
I have to stand here, otherwise
Top.
it'll fall off.
Bottom.
What will? This will fall.
Okay, set that over there. And
How am I supposed to put this up
I
there?
need to go to the bathroom. There's stuff on the top of that.
Really? You just went. I'm not thinking.
If you don't want me to go to the bathroom, don't give me a soda. Can I get off now?
yes.
Or mom.
we go.
Okay. Okay, are you guys all going to the bathroom or what?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Alright. Hard to get for footage of this, but
Nice.
I just put my finger on the outside bolt so that it doesn't spin, because that's where the butyl is. Tighten these up so my socket will grab them easier. Got the key in, got the throttle in, forward, reverse. It's beautiful. That thing goes on there. Couple displays right here, compass right here. Got the steering wheel, got the throttle. I can reach over the wheel or through the spokes and get to it. But we have this. This is our monitor for our electric motor that tells us how much amperage we're drawing, how much longer we have left on the batteries. We want this to be visible. Question is, where do we want to put it?
Well, can it go in that other thing that goes on the...
Well, I could put it on the other one, but then we don't have one available if we want to do wind instruments or anything in the future.
There was something that goes up here,
There was something, there is this bar that goes up here.
and it had a box on it.
No,
Yes.
no.
Yes. How much do you want to bet?
What kind of box are you talking about?
An instrument box.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it does. Shall we bet? All right. I win. See? It has a box. But it's super heavy buried under all this, so Todd has to come up and look at it himself. Okay, I took a picture of it. Look, it's another instrument thing. Who wins?
You win. Yeah, but are we keeping that? Are we? The chart plotter's got to mount to that too. That's what I'm wondering. Is
I'm just saying we have another option.
Well, yeah, but if it'll fit.
Well, bring it down here and let's look.
Let's go dig it out, shall we?
There's a place for one of those iPad holder thingers. Right
Over
there.
here, maybe?
Yep. Liberty! Bring me the iPad! Because I said so? I don't care.
Do your kids do that too? Hey, bring me the blah blah blah. Why? All right, let's see. So this guy, I guess it could, depending on how they mount, that would work, huh? Sometimes they have an arm on it, I don't know.
There's an ant on it.
Something like that.
Right? So there's nothing else that has to go on this.
No, we don't need, we could put some switches in for mast lights or something, but right now all that's down below. So I don't think we really need anything up here. Right now. It might be nice to eventually put a switch for the overhead red lights for night stuff, but we'll see what we like and don't like first. Okay then.
It's looking pretty good.
Yes, it's looking pretty good.
Tomorrow we will paint that metal thing, and we'll start figuring out what we're going to replace these with.
Yeah, we got to figure that out. We might have to make a trip to the plastics place in Corpus Christi.
I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you for watching to the end. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, and if you'd like to give us some extra support, share our videos on social media, and consider becoming a patron.